Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching my daily software review from my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with my another review. I'm gonna review a new product called Super Funnels. This is a cutting-edge system for getting free traffic, tripling the profit potential of that traffic, and instantly monetizing every new visitor with automated technology. This product consists of three main modules. The first one is a complete system that creates super funnels that triple your traffic sources instantly. Instead of relying on email, you can get two more traffic sources at your disposal. The second part is the step-by-step training. You get everything you need to know how to make $100 per day online effortlessly by copy pasting 100% of their traffic methods. The final one is a case study. In this special presentation, they will be showing you exactly how they use the funnel on their last two launches and generated more than $1,300. Okay, before watching my Super Funnels video review today, please click the subscribe button down below to subscribe my channel to watch more online reviews from me as well as get more online marketing tips from me. And don't forget to click the link inside my video description down below to check all the details about my bonuses. Okay, now let's get started with the software today, Super Funnels. Here I am inside the dashboard of SuperFunnel. I would like to make the run-through video to explain everything about this software, what it is and how it works. This is the cloud-based software, so you don't need to install or download anything. You can access to this software from anywhere, from any your devices. Okay, and on my main screen, you can see some of my existing funnels made by Super Funnels. And the first thing I would like to show you is the process of how to create a new funnel using some done for you templates from Super Funnel software. And all you have to do is click on create a new super funnel. And when you click on that, you're gonna get a template, a stunning template prepared by Super Funnels team. And you can select any templates you want for your campaign. Yeah, you can take a look on that. You have a stunning templates as your opt-in pages like this. And down below, you're gonna customize your funnel. It's going to allow you customize your funnel, like you be able to enter your affiliate link, your name, your photo. You can customize your photo by putting your photo URL right here, or you can use the pen name and you can use another photo prepared by Super Funnel team. All you have to do is select one of them right here. Okay, and I'm going to select the first one right here, and I would like to customize my funnel. For example, I'm enter my funnel name tag number 4, and for offer URL, I would like to copy a random link, and I am going to paste into this box. The next thing you have to do is enter your name. You can use your real name or you can use the pen name if you want. Okay, for example, I want to use my name, Rick, and your photo URL. You can go to your platform, you upload your photo and you can grab your photo URL, and what you're going to do is paste your photo URL right here, or you can select one of the done for you photos from here. Okay, I'm going to select this one. And the next thing you can do is enter your push notification script. Yeah. If you don't know about this push notification technology, I would like to explain about that. Push notification technology is a groundbreaking technology that allows you to embed your push notification script on your website, on your landing pages, or anywhere you want, and then you can build you can build a subscribers push notification subscriber, and from your push notification dashboard, you can send instantly messages to your audience's screen. Okay, and I highly recommend to use the free software called Push Group. Yeah, you can use a software called Push Group. Yeah, this is a free push notification software that allows you to build free 2,000 subscribers on Autopilot. And with that mean when you install push notification technology inside your landing pages, you have a notification like this available on your website, on your landing page. When your audience click on your funnel, there is a pop-up show up on like this, and when your audiences click on allow, they will be receiving some further messages on their screens on Autopilot. That is exactly the way you can monetize your funnel by building the push notification subscribers on Autopilot. Okay, and your audiences are allowed to click on blocks to not giving your instantly messages in the future if they want. Okay, and the next thing you can do is enter your ManyChat script. Yeah, ManyChat is a pay chatbot that allows you to view automatic messages using Messenger. Yeah, you can. At the same time, you can build email list, you can build a push notification list, you can build a messenger list using super funnels. And the next thing you can do is connect your autoresponder system. And down below, you're going to be able to see some autoresponder system that super funnels support, like iWeber, Campaign Monitor, GetResponse, iContact, Mimi, MailChimp. And all you have to do is select the autoresponder you want to use. And the next thing is you can enter your authorization code into this box and click on connect to start using your autoresponder system to captivate people's email on Autopilot. So in nutshell, using super funnels, you can build your email list, you can build your push notification subscribers, and you can build the messenger list simultaneously. Yeah, at the same time, you can build three lists and you can monetize the list in the future. Okay, and when you're done customizing your funnel, you can click on save and publish to save your work and publish your funnel. And remember that you have 8 super funnels right here, and you are freely to select any funnels template if you want for your campaign. Yeah, and all of them are online marketing niche. Yeah, remember that. And I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, and you can see my campaign is available right here, and I have a landing page and a thank you page like this. And yeah, I would like to show you the front end of my landing page and my thank you page. You can click on this button to edit your funnel, or you can click on delete button to remove it from your dashboard. Okay, I'm click on view, and you'll be able to see my a landing page, the opt-in page like this. All right. Yeah, and remember that when you install the push notification script into your funnel, you'll be able to see it available on your landing page like this. And when you, excuse me, when your audiences click on allow, they will be imported to your subscriber list, push notification subscriber, and they will be receiving your further messages on their screens on Autopilot. Okay, and the next thing I would like, yeah, the software, the landing page, it also have the pop up like this, and they are requesting your audiences to put their email into the opt-in form. And okay, and remember that I also have a most important thing I would like to show you. that is the affiliate link. Yeah, remember that you got to enter your offer URL right here, and when you enter your offer link right here, you can monetize your campaign. With that means when people enter their emails into your opt-in funnel, they will be get redirected to the new interface sticking with the premium sale page. And when they buy the premium product, you can get the commissions. I explain again when you enter your affiliate link to your funnel, and then when your audiences click on your funnel and submit their emails into your opt-in pages, they will be redirected to the sale page sticking with the affiliate offer. And when they buy the affiliate offer, you'll be able to make easy commissions. Okay. And I would like to show you the thank you page. When you click on that, you'll be able to see exactly the thank you page. And this is exactly the page which your audiences will be seeing when they submit their emails into your funnel. And they can see the message like this, and they can click on that to chat with you to collect a free gift to your messenger like this. Okay. And okay, I also set up some examples of my campaigns on my review articles. So after watching this my video review today, you can go back to my article review and scroll down to this section. And here are some of my examples for your reference, and you can click on them to check my landing pages. Click on to see my examples of my landing pages using super funnels timeless. Okay. And yeah, I am head over to the next section from super funnels called tutorials. And inside the tutorials, you got 4 training videos, including super funnels walkthrough, get free traffic, paid traffic, Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, and our recommended traffic source and case study. I would like to go with the super funnels walkthrough. Yeah, for super funnels walkthrough, it teaches you the method to use the super funnel, including software requirements, connect your autoresponder, little trick to increase deliverability, connect your ManyChat account, connect your push crew. Yeah, this is a highly recommended software, the push notification software I recommend you to use because it allows you to build free 2,000 subscribers. Okay, push super funnels in action. Okay, and all the about the training videos teaching you how to use the super funnels. Okay. And the next thing I will show you is a training video teaching about how to get free traffic to your funnels. Yeah, get free traffic, including some videos about getting free traffic to your funnels, including our Facebook method, get unlimited buyers traffic, increase engagement with your potential buyers, manage your friend list and curiosity posts, send them to your funnel and grow your audience and make sales. Okay, and the next section is paid traffic. Paid traffic is the training video teaching you how to derive paid traffic to your offers using Bing ads, Google ads, and Facebook ads. And the next one is our recommended traffic source. This is all about the solo ads. Yeah, it will teach you how to use the solo traffic .net to derive solo traffic to your funnels, and they also give you the special coupon for super funnels clients. With that mean when you buy super funnels, you have a chance to get 20% discount when using the solo traffic.net. Okay. And the final one is case study. This is where you can access to 2 case studies where the vendor use the super funnel timeless to promote 2 products called Equinox and Invisible and bring daily commissions. Okay. And when you get trouble in using this software, you can click on support to claim the support from SuperFunnel team. All right. And I also have a demo video on my article review showing a run-through video about this software. So you can come back my article review and watch my demo video if you still don't understand about SuperFunnels. About my opinion, this is such a simple software, but much effective for us. By paying a little bit money, you get 7 stunning landing pages templates. You can use these templates to captivate people's email and bank daily commissions. These templates are high quality stuff. On top of that, it also allows you to put your push notification script and manage script on your opt-in pages, so you can build email lists and push notification lists and message lists at the same time. Inside SuperFunnels, you also receive tons of training videos teaching you how to derive massive free and paid traffic to your funnels. I highly recommend you to buy this product today. And I am gonna head over to the next section from my video review. That is SuperFunnels Upsells. SuperFunnels has 1 front end and 5 upsells, aka 5 OTOs. For the front end, you get the SuperFunnel Basic, a complete system that creates SuperFunnels that triple your traffic sources instantly. Instead of relying on email, you'll be able to get 2 more traffic sources at the disposal. Upsell number 1, you get the max commissions, and you got to pay $67 for upsell number 1. The max commission of the software includes done for you recurring campaign activated on your SuperFunnels. Upsell number 2, you got done for you packet comes with done for you funnels, timeless, and done for you emails to fully complete all of your hard work for you, and you got to pay $197 for this one. You will get extra done for you squeezy pages, done for you email squeeze packet, done for you manage follow-up sequence templates. Upsell number 3, you got the software called Limitless Traffic, and you got to pay $197 for this one. Limitless Traffic puts your people on their sale pages to siphon traffic from their high traffic pages. This is a great upgrade for those that want more traffic. Upsell number 4, you get a complete $1, complete $1K system that has everything included to land high ticket sales, and you got to pay $197 for this one. Upsell number 5, you get a license rights to sell SuperFunnels at your own products, and you'll be able to keep 100% your profits, and you got to pay $97 for this one. Okay, and down below you'll be able to get some fast action bonuses if you happen to buy SuperFunnel from me today. And you can click on the link inside my video description down below to check some other bonuses listed on my article review. And especially you can get my 6 secret traffic sources for those who happen to buy SuperFunnels from me today. And down below you'll be able to check some other bonuses from me. And don't forget to click this link to buy SuperFunnel from my website today. And don't forget to check my ID at your checkout page to make sure you buy it from me. And if you have any questions, feel free to chat with me via my chat box available on my website. Or be sure to ask me by leaving your comment at my video down below, or leave a comment from my article review. After your purchases, don't forget to send your receipt to my email to claim your bonuses. I am super excited to help you out. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video review.